welcome to an introduction to paleontology with the Safe Cultural Heritage Group. I'm Jenna and I'll be your mentor for the next 6 weeks. I'm 23 and I'm from the United Kingdom, which is why I spell paleontology with an A. I am currently studying for a master's degree in paleontology from the University of Manchester, studying Pleistocene spotted hyenas in Britain. I also have an undergraduate degree in paleontology from the University of Portsmouth. My favourite extinct animal is Paraceratherium, which is an extinct rhino species from the Oligocene, and it could grow up to 7.4 metres tall. I also really enjoy taking photos of fossils that I see in museums and other collections and sharing them on social media. And here are a few examples. We've got ammonites, microfossils, Synraptor, a natal hyena, a bat fossil, and Confucianus, which is an early bird species. So about the course, the topics cover 5 major events and transitions that occurred during the fossil record. So week 1 is a general introduction to paleontology, as well as a few key terms and phrases that we use. Week 2 is the Cambrian explosion. Week 3 is Devonian fish and the water to land transition. Week 4 is the rise and fall of dinosaurs. Week 5 is mammalian evolution, and week 6 is human evolution, which is our own human evolutionary story. So assessment information, it is weekly multiple choice quizzes on the week's topic. Each roughly have about 20 questions, meaning that there's 120 points to be gained from all 6 quizzes. To pass the course, you need to just complete all the weekly quizzes. There is a handout that will be provided with each week's topic. It's for you to fill in, it's optional. It will just kind of aid in your understanding in the course, as well as the topics that we cover. I can check through these as soon as you have finished them, or at the end of the course, if you are doing them, if you want to send them me. We will also be doing Fossil of the Week, where I am conducting a poll featuring 2 organisms that we've studied during the week. I would like for all of you to vote for your favourite of the 2 organisms, and at the end of the course, we will find out who is the organism of the class, which will be the fossil of the course, mainly. So it's everyone's favourite fossil. So this week, I'll be starting with 2 of the top organisms' responses. So this leads on to this next part, where for the first exercise, I would like you to introduce yourself in the comment section of the post I've made in the Google Classroom when you can access it. I want to know who you are, where you're from, why did you choose the course, and what is your favourite extinct animal? That can be from trilobites all the way to dinosaurs, to more recent extinct animals such as Smilodon, the saber-toothed cat, woolly mammoths, whatever. I don't mind, there's no preference. I look forward to working with you all and meeting you all soon. So yeah, see you soon. Bye.